Okay, this is lesson 1.04. And for this one, you really want to have a couple highlighters. Maybe like 2 highlighters would be really good to do this lesson. So here we go. To substitute is a replacement of something that takes the place of another. So to interpret that, if a math problem is asking you to substitute, in your own words, what is that telling you to do? If it was my own words, I would say the math problem says to put a number in the place of a letter. That would be my translation. Okay, so let's go ahead and do these 2 examples. Number 1 says substitute and evaluate. Okay, so first I'm going to substitute. So 3 plus 4 times the quantity x minus 5 when x equals 7. So I'm going to highlight x equals 7 and I'm going to highlight the x in the problem. That way when I go to substitute, I know, wait, I need to replace it with the pink number, which is 7. Now I just simplify as normal. This will be 3 plus 4 times the quantity, 7 minus 5, which is 2. Then we're going to go ahead and do the multiplication. So 3 plus 8. Lastly, addition. 3 plus 8 is 11. Number 2, same idea. X divided by x minus 2 when x is 20. I'm going to highlight x equals 20, and I'm going to highlight any x. That way, when I go to substitute, I'll replace it. So I'm going to put the 20 in the numerator and the 20 in the denominator. I'm going to simplify the numerator, which is just 20. Simplify the denominator, 2 times 20, which is 40. It's okay to have this answer. However, if you want to reduce, we know that we could divide both by 10. That cancels to 1. And then 2 over 4 is 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 2. So it reduces to 1/2. But don't worry about this. This is good. Let's move on. Here are a couple answers. Remember to check the answer key if you want these. But let's go down to the next notes. So this says to evaluate when x equals 3, y equals 4, and z equals 5. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the x3, pink, and then I'm going to highlight the x in the problem, also pink. The y equals 4, I'm going to highlight that orange, and I'll highlight the y also orange in the problem. And if you don't have a third highlighter, you can circle the 5 and then circle the z. That way you know when you get to it, you'll just replace it. But I'll go ahead and highlight. So now when I go to substitute, 4 times the pink number, which is 3, divided by the orange number, which is 4, plus 2 times the yellow number, which is 5. Simplify. 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 4. I'll simplify this as well, 10. 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 10, which is 13. Number 8, evaluate when x equals 3. I'll highlight that pink. And y equals 2. I'll highlight that yellow. So when I go to substitute, the quantity 2 times pink number, which is 3, divided by 3 times the yellow number, which is 2, squared. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6, squared. I still need to simplify what's inside the parentheses. This isn't done yet. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Now the exponents. And simplify. Okay? And that's it. Check your answer keys.